What a curious afternoon, standing at the wooden floor, while skies driving a moon like clouds in a corridor. Seagulls from the markets are yelling for someone. Haven't answered them yet, I say my good words for an only one. I cherish in a dream or imaginary children. They're happy, it seems they having fun. Fake daddies in the kitchen, smoking real Seagull, while seagulls from the market and are drinking on the rooftop of a bar. Silence upon us, there's a path through the edges to go. I know there'll be jailers about the magic trick we know. You and I, let's get old together, let's get old. Days ending in a sigh, you coming home slow. Seagulls from the market in the sky. Alright, till tomorrow.